Okay, next I will show you how to connect the air compressor and air tank to the main packer. The first part, this is the air compressor power cable. And on the other side, you can see this is the air compressor output tube, air output. And this is the air tank and output the air from the air compressor and plugging in the air tank. This is input port. This is the air tank output, the air tube connection. Use this, and this tube will connect with the main packer. This is the air tube from the air tank, and you can insert this tube to give the air source to the main packer.